The 10 most striking cars from the 2026 Amelia Island Concours. The 2026 Amelia Island Concours delegates showcased a remarkable collection of automotive history and design. This year's event featured several standout vehicles, blending classic restorations with modern interpretations of automotive excellence. The event and its significance, the Amelia Island Concours, is a prestigious annual gathering of classic and collectible cars. It's not just a show, it's a celebration of automotive heritage, craftsmanship, and innovation. The event attracts enthusiasts, collectors, and industry professionals from around the globe. The 10 most notable cars: 1938 Bugatti Type 57 SC Atlantic, a legendary pre-war masterpiece. This Atlantic's elegant lines and powerful engine remain iconic. 1955 Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Gullwing. The Gullwing is renowned for its revolutionary doors and high-performance capabilities. 1962 Ferrari 250 GTO. Arguably the most valuable car in the world, the 250 GTO is a racing legend with exceptional rarity. 1967 Ford GT40 MK-IV. A symbol of American racing prowess, this GT40 dominated endurance events like Le Mans. 1971 Lamborghini Miura SV. The Miura is considered the first supercar, with its mid-engine layout and striking design. 1988 Porsche 959. A technological marvel, the 959 featured advanced all-wheel drive and adjustable suspension. 1994 McLaren F1. The F1 set a new standard for performance with its V12 engine and radical three-seat layout. 2002 Ferrari Enzo. Named after the company's founder, the Enzo is a high-performance hybrid that represents the pinnacle of Ferrari engineering. 2012 Pagani Huayra. The Huayra's active aerodynamics and powerful twin-turbo V12 engine make it one of the most extreme hypercars ever produced. 2024 Rolls-Royce Droptail. The latest bespoke model from Rolls-Royce, the Droptail embodies the brand's commitment to luxury, exclusivity, and